Welcome to Oak Ridge Estates on Atascadero's coveted west side. I'm Heather, today here along with Jen and Colin. We're excited to show you around 12675 Cabazon, a property that's the perfect blend of comfort and California charm.
This stunning home sits on 2.74 oak-studded acres, offering the ultimate in privacy and peace. From the moment you turn down the secluded driveway shaded by towering oaks, you'll feel like you've arrived at your very own retreat.
And trust me, every arrival feels like a breath of fresh air, literally. You might even find yourself waving at a deer or two.
Inside, this home offers nearly 4,000 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space with 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and room for everyone to spread out and feel at home.
Step into the living and family rooms where cathedral ceilings soar and light pours in from every direction. And oh, those picture windows, they don't just frame the view, they bring the outdoors in. Picture this, you, a glass of wine, a cozy fire, and the gentle sway of oak trees easing your day away. Yep, that's the good life.
The kitchen is a dream, updated with granite counters, a center island, refinished soft close cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. Yes, with a top-of-the-line Wolf range. Whether you're cooking for 2 or 20, this space has you covered. Cheers!
Need room for guests, extended family, or a little flexibility? This home has 2 primary suites, one upstairs with a private deck, and this one with a spa-like bathroom, including dual vanities, a soaking tub, and walk-in shower.
Plus, there's a guest room that's currently a climate-controlled wine room. Sip, store, or snooze, dealer's choice.
Full guest bath, indoor laundry, and oversized 3-car garage. And upstairs, you'll find 3 more bedrooms and another full bath. Yep, this place just keeps on giving. Outside, enjoy your morning coffee on the stamped concrete patio overlooking your very own Pinot Noir vineyard. The owner makes incredible wine, and yes, the equipment is included.
Vineyard, herb garden, and an adorable chicken coop, Honestly, all that's missing is a goat with the perfect Fu Manchu.
12675 Cabazon offers privacy, functionality, and endless charm in one of Atascadero's most desirable neighborhoods. Whether you're hosting for the holidays, harvesting your own grapes, or just enjoying the views, this home is the total package.
Are you ready to make it yours? Let's make it happen.